Hi guys, this is Banan Curry here. Welcome to Banan Curry Illustrations. I wanted to share with you the basic steps I take to color Anime Girl in Procreate. If you like my video, like and subscribe to my channel Banan Curry Illustrations and click the bell icon. This is the first time I'm making this kind of video. I hope you like it. You can leave a comment below if you have any suggestions or doubts. This is a simple anime face. She has a Mang Tika to show how I color jewelry. Now I have already selected the colors which I wanted to use and created a palette. I first choose a base color, then a lighter color for highlight and dark color for shadow. For starters, you guys can select the colors by picking it from the anime girls on the web so that you have an idea how there are multiple colors in skin or hair. I have already created separate layers for each part, like outline a separate layer, skin a separate layer, hair a separate layer. Then I apply the basic color and alpha locked it so I don't paint outside the selection. Now let's start with the face. I use soft brush to apply the first shadow color on face. Then I use a studio pen and draw the shadow with the same color. If you're using any other software, you can just use a brush with a harder edge. I use two shadow colors, one medium dark, another more dark color to pop it out. I always use two colors for shadow for both skin and hair. Next is the hair. The same way as skin, I use a soft brush to apply the first shadow color, mostly behind the neck area. The hair is darker and any other area you think will be darker compared to other areas. The same shadow color and paint the shadows using a hard brush, that is the studio pen. First on the lighter area of the hair, like the bangs. All the areas where the hair is overlapping. Then on the darker areas, don't worry if it's not visible in the darker areas, we'll be giving another darker shade on it. Then with the second shadow color, I draw the shadows. Again, on top of the first shadow color. upload the final artwork in the Instagram page Banan Curry Illustrations as always. This time I will also be sharing the line art template with the palette on Instagram. You can take screenshot and try it out if you want. Then I apply the highlight on the hair, mostly on the area on the top and exterior part of the hair, for all the areas where you think light may fall directly on the hair. I don't follow exactly the light pattern, just a vague idea. For the Mangtika, I created the layer above the black outline layer. The jewelry layer is the topmost layer for now. For jewelry border, I use brown color rather than black, the first shadow color. I merge both Mangtika base color layer and border layer because I use only one layer to paint jewelry. Then I add shadow. I use a darker shadow color as the first shadow color was used for borders. I use bright orange and yellow color for the shiny effect. I only use hard brush for painting jewelry, so it gives metallic effect. I just draw random lines on the border area so that it looks reflective. At last, for the eye, for the white area of the eyeball, I use a light grey. Then for the iris, I fill it with the base color in separate layer and alpha lock it. Then I use a medium soft brush to give the shade so that it blends with the base color. I use 3 colors for iris shading here. The dark pupil is mostly black. This is a simple way for coloring the anime eye. Then I add blush to the face, under the eye, on the cheeks. Blush is simply a redder version of skin tone. Touch-ups if necessary. but not the least, sparkly time. I use Studio Pen or a hard brush. I use a white color and add little dots and lines to the eyes, on the hair, on the jewellery. It makes the character lively and sparkly. It's almost done. And that's it. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Did you find it easy? Leave a comment below. To see my final artwork in my Instagram page, click on the link given in my description. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Fun and Career Illustrations. Thank you.